My name is Dr. Robert Kayal. I'm a board-certified orthopedic surgeon. I'm the founder, president, and CEO of the Kayal Orthopaedic Center. I've wanted to be an orthopedic surgeon my entire life. There's no other profession I've ever considered. I was able to witness multiple orthopedic injuries growing up playing sports. It's very frustrating when you suffer an orthopedic injury to not be able to enjoy life, and I became passionate about wanting to help these people restore their active lifestyles and the quality of life that they all deserve. I specialize in robotic hip and knee replacements, as well as sports medicine and arthroscopy. When I first designed the Kayal Orthopaedic Center, the concept was a one-stop shop for all your orthopedic needs. The beauty of this practice is that we have experts, board-certified, fellowship-trained individuals in every field of orthopedics. Over the last 23 years, I've prided myself on remaining current. And I'm not talking about just continuing medical education. I'm talking about adopting new technologies in your field. I am very confident in our team. I couldn't be more proud of our organization, the services and the technologies we offer. There is no specialty in medicine that is more rewarding than orthopedic surgery. You receive instant gratification after fixing someone. You'll see somebody come in with a limp, crippled, unable to get out of a wheelchair. And when you see that patient post-operatively and they give you a hug and they appreciate you so much, it's so rewarding. It's such an amazing specialty. I'm blessed to be in this position, being privileged and honored to be an orthopedic surgeon, to be able to impact people's lives like that. And I experience that every single day.